Namaskar. This is Sudeep Sen, your friend, once again back to you with the new modules of this course. Today we will discuss about the etiquettes and manners which in general we need to follow and show during our working environment, maybe office, maybe business, whatever we are engaged, but we have to follow these things into the working environment. First is that discipline into the professional area has to be maintained. That is one of the basic etiquettes, because every organization is having its own way of working, culture of working, routine of works. So the employees or any associates has to maintain the discipline of that organization. That is one of the basic etiquettes and manners. Next is that when we are in discussion with any of our colleague or maybe customer or maybe outsider or maybe supplier, whoever may be, when we are in discussion, there may be disagreement in our discussion. I may feel that going right side is the correct thing. Maybe the other person can feel going left side is the correct thing. So there may be debates also, different points of thinking or looking towards any issue. But at that time, as the other person is talking which is different than my thinking, we cannot show over excitement or anger or our frustration, because here nothing is personal. Everybody here has come for his profession, and whatever he is talking from a professional point of view only we have to handle. So we have to control our excitement if there is a kind of a disagreement with others. We have to manage the situation smilingly with our energetic approach, no frustration, no excitement. That is one of the basic courtesy we have to follow into the working environment. Listening, already I told in the previous module, same thing applies in professional area also, that if we are in a meeting or we are talking to somebody, we have to listen his complete speech, whatever he wants to say, and then only we can start. That is again comes under basic etiquettes. And one of the major thing we need to follow is that in working place, that office work or the business work is the major point of concern. ऑफिस की जगह में, काम की जगह पे दूसरी टाइप का डिस्कशन, चिट चैट, टाइम पास इज नॉट द बेसिक कार्टिसी और एटिकेट्स. ऑफिस में गया, वहाँ पे जाके क्रिकेट लेके डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ या पॉलिटिक्स लेके डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ इन वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट पे, वर्किंग टाइम पे, दैट इज बियॉन्ड द पेरीफेरी of etiquettes and manners. So in the office environment, we have to follow office disciplines and we have to focus on the work where the office interest is maximum. If anyone in my team in the office does any mistake or something wrong, even there is a loss for the organization, still we cannot say anything against him publicly. If we have to tell him something about his fault, we have to always tell him one-to-one within a cabin or maybe in an isolated place, but never tell anything against that person in public. That is basic etiquettes, because nobody wants public harassment. Then any responsible employee, he never come late into any meeting. So if you are called for attending any meeting, make sure that you are well on time into the meeting. That is one of the basic manners and etiquettes, as well as you come prepared for the meeting. Whatever the papers, documents and other things is required for that meeting, please bring it in one shot with you, completely ready. Otherwise, all other people may be waiting for that inputs and you have come unprepared. So then the whole purpose of the meeting goes to vain. So this is basic, that if you are called for a meeting, come prepared fully with all necessary documents and files. At the same time, come on time. Next is that you may be, as a qualified person, sitting into a good cabin or maybe holding a good position into the organization, rank wise, salary wise, but in the same office there are so many people who might be working in a lower rank positions, maybe peon, maybe driver, even maybe somebody who is a lower division clerk. But remember that all are human beings and all are having some role into the functioning of the entire organization, and no role is big or no role is small. अगर एक दिन ऑफिस में पियोन नहीं आता है तो समझ में आ जाता है कि एक पियोन नहीं रहने से ऑफिस में काम चलाने के लिए कितना प्रॉब्लम्स होता है. So everybody's role is important. Maybe the ranks are different, and after all, everybody is a human being like us. Everybody is having the same sentiment, same sense of respect, similar sense of humor. So we have to honor them as a person, and we have to treat them when we are talking to them, when we are behaving with them, considering them as a human being and not considering their rank, what they are holding into the organization. Next is that everybody is different as a person. So we have to honor that point. Normally we feel that everybody should behave like us. Whatever I am thinking, he should also think like that. But please understand that everybody is a different person. They will have a different taste, different liking, different priorities into their life. So give personal space to everyone. Be mindful always to the noise level. You should not do anything into the office work floor which creates noise and disturbance for the others, because it is a common place. So for example, you are pulling chair with very strong sound, you should avoid it. Or maybe you are talking to some of your friends or somewhere over mobile with a loud voice, and that is creating problem and disturbances for others. So always you have to take care about the others. That is the first point of the topic. Etiquettes and manners means always we have to respect, we have to have the concern for the others. So if I keep on talking with a loud voice, that means I am not taking the concern of my other colleagues who are maybe working with some serious projects. So this kind of thing, please be careful about creating any noise level. Avoid personal attack, not even verbally, because office is a place where we have all gathered together to do the professional work. Here, do not do any personal attack, comments on the personal life for anybody. If we have to do it outside the office, not in the office. Social and business balance. That is very important. As we always work together in the office, sometimes we mix up our social engagements into the office with the business engagement with the colleagues. So these two are totally different thing. Colleague is the same person, but primary objective for mixing with him in the office hours is for the company and the business. If we have to do some social transactions with him, that has to be done outside the office hours. So please keep that differentiation and balance of social mixing and business need in the office environment. Mute your phone during the meeting. That is very, very important etiquettes, because if your phone starts ringing, it is a disturbance for all who has come for the meeting and joined for a common purpose. So please mute it. Alcohol consumptions. In some of the office parties or in some places, if you are together, maybe sometimes alcohols are offered. So depending upon your own capacity, with proper decency, if you want to consume alcohol, then please maintain that thing so that it is not crossing the limits and all decorums are properly maintained. One more important thing is that sometimes maybe our colleagues or friends, they show us some pictures into their mobiles. Maybe they will open the gallery and they will show you some picture. Okay, see this picture. So he has given his mobile to see one picture, right? But in most of the cases, what we do, after seeing that picture, we start scrolling this side and that side. What is the next pictures? Please do not do this thing. So you see the picture, make your comments and then return the phone as it is to him. When you are writing something officially, please take care of your spelling, grammar, margins, etc. Because if you are carrying in your communication, written communication, mistakes into that areas, then this is not a good practice, because the image will be hazy for you. This person do not take care, maybe one option, or else he don't know the grammar and punctuation. So both are actually making your image hazy. So writing, you are giving something means that will remain permanent. So do not do any damage to your image permanently. So when you are writing something, please take care, spelling, grammar, punctuations, margin, paragraphs, everything is properly set. So this is all in all the basic courtesies, basic manners, which if you follow during your office time with your colleagues, so definitely your image within the organization will improve in a drastic way, and your colleagues, your boss, your customers who are in and around you during the office hours, they all will like you, because you are not creating any noise or trouble for them. You are always appearing in front of them smilingly. You are always coming on time and with full preparation for any meetings or anything. You are delivering the things or the tasks punctually, and you are not interrupting them when they are talking something. You are giving that respect to them to finish their words, and then only you are adding some points from your side. So all in all, if you take care of all these things, you will be a lovable character within the organization, and your personality will be very, very bright, impressive into the whole organization. So please follow this thing, start practicing, and very shortly we are coming back with the next module. So मिलते हैं in the next module. Thank you very much.